evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. The Aam Aadmi Party is breaking up today in yet another resignation. One of the senior-most members of the Arvind Kejriwal cabinet, one of the most seasoned ministers, one of the most senior ministers, in fact holding the important portfolio of Labour, the Labour Minister of Delhi has quit, saying he can't tolerate Arvind Kejriwal's corruption anymore. He says, I can't tolerate the corruption in the Delhi government anymore. This is an insider. Man who till 2 days back was swearing on Arvind Kejriwal. One of his most trusted colleagues, the Labour Minister of Delhi, has said he has to quit because after the Delhi High Court pulled up Arvind Kejriwal as a conspirator responsible for distributing the proceeds of crime. He says that is an observation of the Delhi High Court that has forced him to quit the Aam Aadmi Party. Now you may say he's an opportunist, and you all know the old proverb about rats jumping off the sinking ship. And this may well be the case of this one cabinet minister of the Aam Aadmi Party quitting the sinking ship when the going is getting rough. But can you imagine? The group that started with promises of cleaning up Indian politics, now 10 years later facing a series of resignations from their own people who say the corruption of the Aam Aadmi Party, the corruption of the AAP government, the corruption in the Kejriwal government has become intolerable. Another question. Arvind Kejriwal's arrest was made into a call for unity at the Ramleela Maidan a few days back, and they said he's an innocent man. These are all charges of the BJP. We will believe the charges only when the courts say it. They said we'll go by the courts. We have belief in the judicial process of the country. And on that basis, he was made into a victim, and posters were made of him behind bars saying people must feel sympathetic towards him. But ladies and gentlemen, after what the courts have said, what happens to the other parties in the India Alliance, as well as the news portals who have been running campaigns describing his arrest as an example of an electoral autocracy in India? Will they accuse the courts of working to promote that electoral autocracy? Will they say now that the judges are promoting electoral autocracy in India? Ladies and gentlemen, what the court has said about Kejriwal's involvement in the liquor scam is a slap in the face of all those groups in India and abroad who were saying, look here, things are so bad in India that an innocent man is getting arrested. Today the court says the man is not innocent. Prima facie, there's a huge case of money laundering against him. The allegations against him are very serious. The evidence that is there against him is also very serious. The arrest is completely, absolutely legal. The man is a conspirator distributing the proceeds of crime. Things the court says. The court says these things. What will the lobby respond with? Debate 1 tonight, viewers. A huge extended debate as people begin to quit the Aam Aadmi Party. Debate 1. Debate number 2 this evening. The Supreme Court rejects another series of apologies by Ramdev. Uses very strong language. But is Patanjali being singled out? What happens to the other big FMCG companies who make bombastic claims to mislead millions of Indians, including young children? What happens to the claims they make? All those people promising sugary health, powders and all kinds of supplements which they sell at huge profit margins. What happens to them? Is Patanjali being singled out? Debate number 3 tonight, viewers. 750 crore attachment of the AGL case. The Congress Party's big cascading corruption cases, the money they made all going away from them. What are they going to do? What are they going to do? What is this family going to do when they are losing everything? Debate number 3 tonight, and here are the headlines this Wednesday evening on the Debate Tonight. Day after the Delhi High Court pins the Arvind Kejriwal linked to Liquorgate, Delhi Minister Raj Kumar Anand quits the cabinet saying the corruption in the AAP government is just too much.
हम जानते हैं कुछ लोग इस लड़ाई में पीछे हटेंगे, कुछ लोग टूटेंगे, किसी का मनोबल कमजोर होगा।
AAP on the back foot claims they know that more party leaders will now tender their resignation. As the AAP implodes, the Indie bloc goes into silent mode after the High Court order. massively pulled up Patanjali and Baba Ramdev. The Supreme Court rejects another series of apologies filed by Ramdev in the misleading ads case. Pulls up the authorities, says, we will rip you apart. Another huge setback to the Congress party as 750 crore attachment in the AGL case is upheld. And the Prime Minister's most aggressive campaign in Tamil Nadu continues. Spotlight on Anna Malai. Ladies and gentlemen, the High Court order in the Delhi Liquorgate case has wreaked havoc within the Aam Aadmi Party. Kejriwal is in jail. And today, the situation is so bad within the Aam Aadmi Party that one of the most senior ministers in the Aam Aadmi Party, Delhi's Labour Minister, resigned. He tendered his resignation saying there's too much corruption in the Aam Aadmi Party. And in fact, the situation is such that the India Alliance, which had rallied behind Kejriwal, is now completely silent. Finger on their lips, they say, we will not say one word anymore. Things aren't looking good for the AAP. Let's debate.
इस प्रकार की गणतंत्र की हत्या हो जा रही देश के अंदर, इसके खिलाफ पूरा हिंदुस्तान के अंदर आवाज उठ रहे।
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को अरेस्ट करने से भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पूरी दुनिया में थू-थू हो रही है। पूरी दुनिया में थू-थू हो रही है। एक ही व्यक्ति है जिसके आरोप में, और सरकार जो चाहे वो कर सकती है।
तो महारैली दिल्ली में हो रहा है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की गिरफ्तारी, हेमंत सोरेन की गिरफ्तारी, यूएपीए का लगातार इस्तेमाल और विपक्ष के खिलाफ ईडी, सीबीआई, आईटी का इस्तेमाल, ये सब बिल्कुल स्पष्ट होता है कि ये सरकार किसी भी हालत में खुद ही अपने ऊपर आत्मविश्वास नहीं रखते हैं।
They had to arrest him. They could have done it earlier also. The timing of how they are tackling the opposition is in suspicion. The opposition leaders and the opposition parties, they're trying to scare us into submission.
The India Alliance that held a mega rally against Arvind Kejriwal's arrest is in cold stone silence today. This even as the Delhi High Court's stinging order held Kejriwal responsible for formulating the liquor policy. With questions emerging in Kejriwal's direct link to the scam, the internal rift within the Aam Aadmi Party is now out in open. Delhi Minister Rajkumar Anand has resigned from the cabinet and has quit the party, citing concerns over the High Court order.
कल से पहले ऐसा लग रहा था कि हमें फंसाया जा रहा है, लेकिन कल जब हाईकोर्ट का जो डिसीजन आया है, हाईकोर्ट ने जो कैटेगरिकली बोला है, उससे ऐसा लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं हमारे यहाँ कर।
But the Aam Aadmi Party continues to cry vendetta politics.
कि हम हवा-हवाई बातें कर रहे थे या भाजपा की मंशा ये थी कि केजरीवाल को गिरफ्तार करो और पार्टी को तोड़ो।
The India Alliance that supported Kejriwal to the hill, will it stand by him or support the court order? Let's debate.
Anmol Pawar, now you have a lot of people quitting the AAP, talking about the corruption within the Aam Aadmi Party. And Mr. Sabharwal, the matter is serious. These are people who have been with the Aam Aadmi Party since the inception. Senior most ministers, it's not even like Anmol can come and say, we don't care about these people, who are these people, that kind of. ये आपके ही लोग हैं. Sanju Verma, welcome. Neil Basu, welcome. Akashdeep Muni, welcome. Rajat Sethi, welcome. Now, Anmol, why did your senior most minister quit the Aam Aadmi Party, quit the cabinet? And, now your party leaders are saying, we know that others will also quit. So, you do understand, Mr. Anmol Pawar, that these are your own people, people who joined with some hope, with some aspiration, and with some promise. And if they are feeling so let down, you do owe them an explanation. Don't you?
Arnab,
Don't you?
I think that, Arnab, I believe that he's the victim of the Vikas model of Bharatiya Janata Party, where V stands for victimizing opposition leaders, I stands for imaginary data, K stands for killing democracy, A stands for accommodating corrupt, and S stands for systematic misuse of ED and CBI. And this model is operating at
leader who quit.
maximum capacity today. The fact is that he very categorically said recently that the ED at working at the behest of BJP is threatening him, is pressurizing him. The ED conducted raid on 23rd of November for 22 hours. And in fact, his family members were also threatened that they'll be put behind bars. He has been called for interrogation again on 12th of April. And that is the reason he succumbed under pressure and he has resigned today.
Arnab, can I
This
please?
strategy
That's not
of
what he has
Bharatiya
said.
Janata Party.
That is not what he has said. One minute. Just one minute. That is not what he has said. 1 minute, please. That is not what he has said. That is what you are saying, and that is what you are assuming. It is
Arnab,
becoming
can I make one
difficult
point?
for you
Arnab,
to
can I make one
accept that
point?
you are being seen to be a party that is tolerating. No, I'm sorry, but that is...
No.
You can't put words in the mouth of a man like this. He is saying, I can't take
Arnab,
it anymore because our government has become too corrupt. No. You,
Not
one,
at all,
let
Arnab,
Sanju
not at
respond now. I'm going to
Can-
open this
can-
up, viewers.
Can I make one more point?
What do you mean
Can I
not
make
at all?
one more
That's
point?
precisely what he has said.
Come on, let
No,
me
but that
have
is
my say, then
precisely
you
what
can
he has
rebut me.
said.
Can I make one more point? Arnab, this same court, we have respect for the
That is
institution.
precisely
We
what he has
believe in
said.
Arnab, we believe in the law of land, but we respectfully disagree with the order passed by the Honorable Delhi High Court. The same bench made similar observations while rejecting the bail application of Mr. Sanjay
Why
Singh.
are
And
people
that decision
quitting
was,
AAP saying that you are
Arnab,
corrupt?
Arnab, I
Why
need to
are
come in now.
Overturned by the
why are
Honorable
so many
Supreme Court.
people quitting the AAP saying you're corrupt? Oh, so now you don't like the court, you don't like
Yeah.
people who say you're corrupt,
We-
you don't
we
like your
never-
leaders
we
who
never
have
said
quit
that.
saying that
Arnab,
you're
let me-
corrupt.
let
You
me
don't like
complete.
anything.
See, we have challenged the order of Honorable Delhi High Court before the Supreme Court. Each level of judiciary plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law, and we believe in this. We believe that the Honorable Supreme Court will
If the
this
Supreme
can't be a
Court does
monologue
not
by
give
the
you
Aam
relief,
Aadmi
you will
Party.
say we don't like the
This
Supreme
man
Court
is
also.
making zero sense.
We never said that. We never said
What
that.
if the Supreme Court upholds what the High Court has said? What if the Supreme
See,
Court upholds what the High Court has said? Tell me.
We cannot comment on assumptions and presumptions. I think we must wait for the court to decide, because the fact is that the Enforcement Directorate has not informed the court. In fact, they have not placed on record 20,000
Arnab, this
unrelied
cannot be a
documents
monologue. I need to
in
make my
which-
rebuttal, please.
In which 12 statements are there of P. Sharad Reddy, which were in favor of Mr. Kejriwal, 5 statements of another approver, Magunta Reddy, which were in favor of Mr. Kejriwal, and 2 statements of Raghav Magunta, which were in favor of Mr. Kejriwal. And the approver comes into play when there's
I don't
dearth of
understand.
evidence.
This man
Anmol,
is going
last
on
time you
and
told me you're
rambling
some
on.
kind of a
This
lawyer.
case
Zero sense.
Do you, 1 minute,
This case
Anmol, I'm getting the others in now.
The BJP
1 minute,
needs to put its
You may
point
say
across.
anything. Please understand. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. I want to tell the AAP spokespersons and the pro-AAP voice all, you can say anything. You can try and put as much of a serious expression, try and look aggrieved, hope that you'll get people's sympathy, hope that people will feel that you have been a hurt party. But at the end of the day, if the court says you are corrupt, you are corrupt.
At the end of the day,
Court
people
says
will
you are
vote for us
corrupt.
because
Come
they
on,
know
stop
we are
The
mollycoddling
court
him
says you
now.
are
You know,
corrupt.
he's been
You are corrupt.
speaking
because they know
non-stop.
we are innocent.
Now,
Arnab, nothing has been proved.
Now the court, what
In fact,
Sanju,
the
I'll
trial
just tell
has
you what
not
the
even
court
been
says.
started.
I'll tell you what the court
charge sheet has
says.
been
One
filed.
minute. The Rajkumar Anand says, fraud की एक सीमा होती है. There is a limit to fraud. आए थे करप्शन खत्म करने, खुद करप्ट और भ्रष्ट हो गए. They came to remove corruption. Today they are the most corrupt. मेरे लिए मंत्री पद पर रहकर इस सरकार में काम करना असहज हो गया है. इन भ्रष्ट आचरण में अपना नाम नहीं जोड़ना चाहता. I don't want to join my name with this corrupt people in this corrupt party and the corrupt government.
Can I respond?
These are things, viewers, that a person, till yesterday he was with them. Now, Sanju is
Arnav,
responding. It's a really clear
you've spoken enough.
indictment.
Whoever this man
Sanju
from
is on
office.
the debate.
Yes,
Sanju,
thank you.
listen to you last 10 minutes. Sanju.
Yes. Last 10 minutes, I've been, coming into the debate at 9:19. 19 minutes I've been listening to him almost. And he made zero sense. First and foremost,
यहाँ
let's
पे
be
भी
very
यहाँ पे
clear.
भी झूठ बोल रहे हो.
Arnav, what is this? Why is this man, I've barely begun and, he started heckling me.
Now,
Can you
there's
please
no
keep
need
quiet?
to.
Can you
There's
keep
no
quiet,
need.
whoever
You
are?
continue, please. 1 versus 1.
Thank you.
Please don't fight.
Yes.
4 can be on the screen. No interruptions right now. It won't be fair. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
No, I'm not the one who's heckling, but if somebody heckles me, I'm not going to take kindly to that. Please get that very clear, loud and clear. Thank you. Now, let me be very clear, Arnav. I think you've actually set the tone and tenor of the debate by clearly highlighting very important portions of the Delhi High Court judgment yesterday, which was not to decide whether Arvind Kejriwal should be given bail or not. Arvind Kejriwal had said that his remand itself is illegal, his custodial interrogation is illegal, and the Delhi High Court categorically said that his remand is not in contravention of law. So, pehli baat to ye hai that the custodial interrogation and the remand of Arvind Kejriwal is absolutely legal. The second point, I remember on a zillion debates, especially on your show, when I said Dinesh Arora turned approver, Sunny Marwa has started singing like a canary, Abhishek Boinpulli, Arun Ramchandra Pillai, Vijay Nair, Samir Mahendru, Amit Arora, Amandeep Dhar, all these people
Today's
have either
bioscope
turned approver.
pictures are not there.
Can I please finish? Either these people have turned approver or have started singing like a canary in front of the probe agencies. What did Aam Aadmi Party people, what was their best defense then, Arnav, if you recall? They used to say, approver ki statement does not have any credibility. So what if Dinesh Arora turned approver via section 306 of the CRPC? Dinesh Arora ki baat ki to koi credibility nahi hai. And yesterday, what I liked best about Justice Swaran Kant Sharma's verdict was when it was highlighted to the Aam Aadmi Party, to Abhishek Manu Singhvi, the counsel for Arvind Kejriwal. Abhishek Manu Singhvi was given a rap on his knuckles by the Delhi High Court, and it said that when you are casting an aspersion on the approver, you are actually casting an aspersion on the judiciary. And then in Hindi, what did the judge say? Approver ki statement enforcement directorate nahi likhti hai. Approver ki statement judicial magistrate likhte hain. So do not cast aspersions on the approver because that statement is made duly in front of a judicial magistrate. I think that was a very important point, completely shredding to bits and pieces this entire narrative that the enforcement directorate is not following protocol. Now, point number 3, it has been said, proceeds of crime to hai nahi. अरे कहाँ है पैसा? बताओ. अरविंद केजरीवाल के घर से कुछ नहीं मिला, सत्येंद्र जैन के घर से कुछ नहीं मिला, Manish Sisodia के घर से कुछ नहीं मिला. Even that lie was nailed when the judge said that it is very clear that the proceeds of crime were used in the Goa elections. That is something that Durgesh Pathak, an Aam Aadmi Party MLA, will soon corroborate because he's also been called by the Enforcement Directorate. And along with Atishi Marlena, Durgesh Pathak, these were the 2 people in charge of the Goa elections. So I'm sure when Atishi and Durgesh Pathak start singing like a canary, the house of cards of Arvind Kejriwal will come crumbling down. हालांकि, बचा ही नहीं है कुछ, अस्तित्व तो पूरा खत्म हो चुका है केजरीवाल का. But what I found most appalling was that on debate after debate, not you Arnav, but I was in a debate before coming on your show, and the anchor had the audacity to ask me, do you think, Sanju Verma, this is a litmus test for the Enforcement Directorate? Do you think the enforcement directorate is doing its job? I mean, excuse me, आप चोर से सवाल नहीं करते हो, आरोपी से सवाल नहीं करते हो, आप थानेदार से सवाल कर रहे हो. And when I told her shame on that media, which is actually putting a gun to the ED's head rather than asking tough questions of Kejriwal, you know, suddenly I was blacked out. And the anchor started saying, we ask questions to everybody, we are neutral media, we are falana, we are dhamkina. Anyway, I don't want to say who the anchor or what the channel was. But the most important point is also this, and I will just read out in 10 seconds because I don't want to be misquoted, nor will I misquote what the Honorable Delhi High Court said. I think this is the most important part of the judgment. This court holds that this court would not lay down two different categories of laws, one for common citizens and the other granting special privileges to be extended by investigating agencies to a chief minister or any other person in power only on the basis of being in that public office, since that public office is enjoyed by that public figure only due to the mandate of the public. This was made amply clear by the Delhi High Court when Abhishek Manu Singhvi kept saying, "Arey, ye to chief minister hai. How could he be arrested? Arey, he was a sitting chief minister." So the Delhi High Court made it very clear, Arvind Kejriwal has not parachuted from Mars, Jupiter or Venus. He's not above the law of the land. And my last point is this. Have you forgotten Om Prakash Chautala? Have you forgotten N. Karunanidhi? Have you forgotten Lalu Prasad Yadav? Have you forgotten J. Jayalalitha? Have you forgotten Madhu Koda?
I will only now Sanju, you must conclude. I will make one point tonight. I will make one point tonight. One point
Can I
tonight.
respond, Arnab?
I will make one point tonight. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Viewers, the debate it's 9:25. I must be allowed to at least tell the people of the country what Rajkumar Anand has said. And viewers, Rajkumar Anand Romesh Sabharwal has been a loyal AAP leader. In fact, Arvind Kejriwal took the name of Rajkumar Anand as one of the leading lights of the Aam Aadmi Party. Manish Sisodia would take the name of Rajkumar Anand, saying that these are the leaders who have made the party. Now, Rajkumar Anand ne kya kaha hai? People have a right to know or not know. Sabharwal ji, yeah, they have. Zor se boliye na. Yes. No. Do they have a right to know?
Definitely.
Then let me say it. Suniye isko.
बोलिए
करप्शन की एक सीमा होती है.
ओके.
लोग समय में जाते हैं, एमएलए हैं, लोगों से मिलते हैं. लोग बोलते हैं आज हमें कि कहते तो थे तुम की राजनीति बदलने आए हो, मगर तुम तो हर वक्त करप्शन का साथ दे रहे हो और खुद भ्रष्टाचार की दलदल में फंस चुके हो. These are the words I am saying. Listen, Anmol, don't be blind. Listen, everyone on.
Can I respond?
These are your people. How many people आजकल कहते हैं अन्ना हजारे कौन? पूछते आजकल आकाशदीप जी. अन्ना हजारे ने कहा शराब बोलते. अन्ना हजारे कौन? राजकुमार आनंद कौन? नहीं, आई एम पॉइंट इज सब लोग गलत हैं. सब लोग गलत हैं. You can speak, but I am saying that do you realize? And
my submission is this.
What is your submission? Tell them.
Our party has to suffer more now. As the April will complete, our party has an influence in the northern states where the election in these states where they have an influence like Punjab, Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Goa. In these states, the elections are going to take place in May and June. So they will have to suffer more now. The all bombardment will be from all the...
Why are the courts bombarding, sir? नहीं, आप court पे क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं? Why are you alleging against the court?
Sir, I'm not...
No, what is...
Sir, I'm not alleging.
No, you are alleging against the court,
राजकुमार आनंद के घर पे कोर्ट चली गई थी, ईडी गई थी. 33 सीट्स का सवाल है. मोदी जी के नंबर डाउन हो रहे हैं. एक्सपोज हो गया है पूरे भारत के अंदर. इलेक्ट्रोल बॉन्ड से बड़ा स्कैम नहीं है. अगर प्राइम मिनिस्टर में दम है तो पीएम इस्तीफा दे. पता है कि कहां से गाय फूटल मारने वाली से पैसे ले लिए. आज तक दलित किसान से पैसे ले लिए.
आपका तो एक दलित किसान
इलेक्ट्रोल बॉन्ड से बड़ा स्कैम भारत में नहीं है. इससे बड़ा स्कैम संसार में नहीं है। जवाब दे। बीजेपी के नंबर गिर रहे हैं, बीजेपी घबरा गई है। अभी तो केजरीवाल के लोग, मुझे लगता है कि पूरी सरकार के ऊपर अटैक होने वाला है। एलजी इधर से अटैक कर रहा है, उधर से प्रेसिडेंट रूल लागू करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इधर से उसकी सरकार को पूरा भ्रष्ट घोषित करके। अरे ये कुछ तरीका है? चुनाव के समय
कंट्रोल कीजिए रमेश सबरवाल जी, कंट्रोल कीजिए, अपने आप को काबू में लाइए, अपने आप को कंट्रोल कीजिए। आपका संतुलन बिगड़ चुका है, आप शांत हो जाइए, आप कंट्रोल कीजिए। आप भावुक हो गए, यू आर बिकमिंग इमोशनल। डोंट बी ईमो, डोंट बी ईमो, डोंट बी ईमो, ईमो मत बनिए। Rajat is on the debate. Rajat.
This is an Oscar level theatrics that we all witnessed. You know, the deep down, the emotional outburst, there is a very important reason. Congress is rejoicing at the downfall of Kejriwal. For far too long, they had to carry the burden of Kejriwal because there was no other option.
Sabharwal is celebrating heart to heart.
They would be absolutely enjoying. They would be enjoying that one leader after the other leader. 5 Rajya Sabha MPs of Aam Aadmi Party are right now not in support of Aam Aadmi Party. The rank and file of Aam Aadmi Party is not with them. Congress is loving this moment. They couldn't express it in public because of that, you know, that fake India alliance that they had created. But they have to, somehow realize that, the ground is shifting and they see fresh opening, a fresh light, that they could recover lost ground in Delhi and they can recover lost ground in Haryana and Punjab. This is the reason why you just saw that emotional outburst from Sabharwal ji. This is the real reason. But now coming to the moot question, we have all been harping for a fairly long time that it is all about public morality. After the scathing remarks of the High Court, any decent, basic, half-decent person who is not interested in power for the sake of power would have resigned the very moment in the High Court itself. The moment the High Court made such scathing remarks against Arvind Kejriwal, he should have stepped up and handed over the letter of resignation to anyone of his own coterie, which would have been there in the courtroom, or perhaps to Abhishek Manu Singhvi, and he would have quit on that ground and said that my next leader is going to take charge of the party. What the High Court has said, that the money trail loop has been closed. What more scathing can be there, Arnab? When the High Court sitting justice comes out and says that this is what prima facie has been established, what moral right does he have to stay? Why should Delhi tolerate a corrupt chief minister even a single day? That is the moot question. Finally, ED said that this conviction will be a model conviction.
But equally, it is incumbent. It is absolutely 1,000,000% incumbent on Sanju Verma to give me one commitment tonight. It is very incumbent on Sanju Verma to give us all one little commitment tonight. And I know she will not deny us this commitment. Being
You're scaring me.
spokesperson of the BJP, I want Sanju Verma to commit tonight that Rajkumar Anand, the Delhi Labour Minister who has quit today,
Will not join BJP.
will not be taken into the BJP.
Good question. Very good question, Arnab.
They will go. They will take.
Okay.
They will take. They have a washing powder.
I think that question was for me.
He will go in their washing
No,
machine.
let her reply. No, why are you jumping the gun, sir?
Arnab,
Thank
can
you.
I
आप ऐसे कूदते क्यों हैं? आप काम हो जाइए. आप कभी इमोशनल, कभी कूदना. What's going on? Let her reply.
Arnab, pehle
Yes,
to let me try to soften you down. It was vintage Arnab Goswami. It was a phenomenal interview with the equally phenomenal S. Jaishankar a few days back. I saw it a couple of times and I still couldn't have enough of it. Now coming to your question, I'm not somebody who's going to shove things under the carpet. I say it as it is. My limited point is this. Let us not link who joins the BJP with the fact that there is a corrupt party. Its Supremo Arvind Kejriwal has lost the confidence of a majority MLAs. मुझसे सवाल किया है. Why are you getting rattled? Arnab Goswami ने संजू वर्मा से सवाल किया है.
Akash, let her. Akash, Anmol, let her now. Anmol, you are very Anmol. Let her. Your silence is also very Anmol. Let her.
I don't know whether Anmol is
Let her
under the
reply,
law,
yaar.
but
Why are
I'm
you
more
jumping the
serious
gun?
now.
Are you Carl Sagan?
अरे,
No, sorry, not Carl Sagan. I meant Carl
finish now.
Lewis. चलो बोलिए.
Arnab, मुझे जवाब देने दीजिए. You know, Arnab, with no offense to you, when Arnab Goswami says, will Sanju Verma commit that Rajkumar Anand will not join the BJP? Is Arnab Goswami casting an aspersion on the Enforcement Directorate and assuming that any charges that the Enforcement Directorate has or any ongoing investigation or future investigation against Rajkumar Anand will be dropped simply because there are chances that Rajkumar Anand may join the BJP? अमित शाह ने आपको कहा था, अर्नब गोस्वामी, संजू वर्मा ने नहीं कहा था. When you asked Amit Shah at your conclave, he was very categorical. बीजेपी में यदि कोई आना चाहता है बीजेपी की आइडियोलॉजी को अपनाकर, तो हम उसका स्वागत करेंगे, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी
he is being raided by the ED in November. But इनको ED ने raid किया है नवंबर में. But because he's been raided in November, that's why I'm asking you the question. ED raided him in November. ED raided his house in Civil Lines in November.
No. Has the investigation against Ajit Pawar been suspended or not? Yes or no? Answer is no. Has investigation against Narayan Rane been suspended? Yes or no? Answer is no. Has investigation against Janardhan Reddy been suspended? Yes or no? Answer is no. Has investigation against Subhendu Adhikari been suspended? Yes or no? Answer is no. Has investigation against Naveen Jindal been suspended? Yes or no? Answer is no. Has investigation against Himanta Biswa Sarma been suspended? Yes or no? Answer is no. Has investigation against Chhagan Bhujbal been suspended? Yes or no? Answer is no. Has investigation against Yashwant Jadhav been suspended? Yes or no? Answer is no. So don't link investigations
Praful Patel, yes or no? Yes.
या कौन बीजेपी से जा रहा है?
Chhagan Bhujbal, yes or no? Yes.
फाइल खोदी किसी की तो.
भाई,
Yes.
these are all yes.
Yes होंगे.
The case against Praful Patel is closed.
बीजेपी में
The case against Chhagan Bhujbal is closed.
investigation will not be suspended. Even if P. Chidambaram joins the BJP tomorrow, P. Chidambaram के खिलाफ investigation will not be suspended. Even if Sonia Gandhi joins the BJP tomorrow, Sonia Gandhi के against National Herald scam की
हम
investigation
खत्म करेंगे बीजेपी को या हम ज्वाइन करेंगे बीजेपी को?
Get that loud and clear. The law of the land prevails.
किन सपनों में घूम
The
रहे
law
हो?
of the land is supreme.
Law of the land.
But you know, I'll tell you one thing.
Misuse.
I'll tell you one thing, Neil, before I come to you, Neil, Anmol, listen to me. Really one-on-one, do give my question close attention. See that nobody told Arvind Kejriwal to say all the things and promise all the things and claim all the things that he has done in the past. ये खुद ब खुद suo moto उन्होंने की. He said, I will never be corrupt. He said, I will never be accused of corruption. He said that if anybody accuses me of corruption, I will go by what the court says. But he also said, if the court ever finds me corrupt, then I will leave politics, I will take sannyas, मुझे जेल में डाल दो, मैं बाहर नहीं आना चाहता. Now, Anmol, the court has found Arvind Kejriwal on the basis of the available evidence prima facie corrupt. Do you even realize the importance of what has happened, or are you not realizing what happened yesterday? The court has said prima facie Arvind Kejriwal is corrupt, and prima facie it has said that the arrest of the petitioner is on the basis of material which prima facie are incriminating qua the petitioner, which is Arvind Kejriwal. Do you realize how big this is?
Arnab, will
Now,
you
did I tell
allow
you
me?
that go and say that if I am ever found in any court, pass any observations on me? I will. No, but you know, I'm sorry, 1 minute. At this point of time, you should be trying to explain to the people with some sense of humility that yes, the court is saying there is evidence against us on the basis of which we are accused of money laundering, concealing the proceeds of crime, indulging in a financial conspiracy. These are very serious things said by the court. And
can
there
I
should be some
respond now?
humility. But your approach is, what has the court said? We don't agree with the court. Go to hell. We don't believe you. You are nobody. We don't care. We fail. Atishi says we are innocent. We must be innocent. I mean, you're behaving like you're the oracle.
Can I respond?
You're sounding very like Kapil Sibal used to sound, I'm sorry to have to take his name, but that's how Kapil Sibal used to sound when he said zero loss theory.
Election is going.
Anyway, you and Kapil Sibal are on the same side now, but still.
It's time for all this. Elections are going.
What election going? This is court, sir.
No, elections are going.
This is the court, Mr. Sabharwal.
ED has taken so much speed. They are not taking the speed. The leaders which has gone to BJP from our parties, they are not taking action against them. They are only taking action against them they were B party, they came to India Alliance. Now they have to face the music. We know that. Because 33 seats गई, 0 आने वाली है. हरियाणा में मिस्टर चौटाला इनको छोड़ गए, पंजाब में अकाली दल छोड़ गए, चंडीगढ़ में कैंडिडेट चेंज करना पड़ गया, दिल्ली में 7 में से 6 कैंडिडेट चेंज कर दिए. इनकी हालत बुरी होती जा रही है. पूरे भारत को मालूम चल गया है कि महंगाई के ऊपर प्रधानमंत्री को बोलना नहीं आता, प्राइस राइज की बात करनी नहीं आती.
इसका जवाब दो. सोनिया गांधी ने
प्राइस राइज पे बात करनी नहीं आती, बेरोजगारी पे बात करनी नहीं आती. देश का चाइना लूट के खा गया देश को, इतना एरिया ले गया. लद्दाख की सीट जारी इनके हाथ से. ये लोग परेशान है. इनके नंबर 200 के करीब आ रहे हैं, 200 से ऊपर बढ़ नहीं रहे. इनकी सरकार जारी है. ये लोग बौखलाए हुए हैं और उसका अटैक ध्यान बटाने के लिए, डाइवर्जन करने के लिए, दे वांट टू डाइवर्ट द इश्यूज टू आप पार्टी की तरफ लग गए हैं.
सोनिया गांधी रायबरेली छोड़कर क्यों?
अमेठी से राहुल गांधी लड़ेंगे, प्रियंका गांधी रायबरेली से लड़ेंगी. आपको क्या दर्द है? हमारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं, हम जब अनाउंस करेंगे. हम तो नहीं पूछ रहे आप किसको करोगे. आप इट इज आवर प्रेरोगेटिव, आवर पार्टी हैज टू डिसाइड हु विल कंटेस्ट,
अनमोल,
who will not contest.
अनमोल,
and guess what?
Can I be allowed to respond?
Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh.
Will I get a level playing field?
Let Anmol come in. Anmol.
I am expecting a level playing field in the debate.
You do realize, I hope you do realize that the court has found Kejriwal on the basis of the evidence at hand, prima facie guilty. You do realize what the court has said. Are you in denial about it?
I've listened to you patiently. Can I respond now?
Yes.
Arnab, this same court and this same bench of Honorable Justice Swankant Sharma made similar observations while rejecting the bail application of Mr. Sanjay Singh. The Honorable Supreme Court, when the matter reached to the Honorable Supreme Court on 2nd of March 2024, the Supreme Court demolished the entire case and stated very specifically that if the Enforcement Directorate will fight the case on merits, then they'll be forced to make an observations as per the mandate of Section 46 of PMLA Act, very clearly writing in the order that even a prima facie offense is not being made out. Secondly, I would like to respond to the baseless contentions made by
I have a small
Sanju
counter to you. Small counter to you.
Arnab,
Small counter to you. Small counter to you. Please, Anmol, allow me a small counter because it is to you. I'm not taking it away from you. I want you. I want only you to speak. 1 minute, everyone quiet. Anmol, my counter. Sanju, please be quiet for 1 minute. My counter to you, Anmol, is this. 1 minute, Sanjay. Sanju, 1 minute. Sanju, I'm asking Anmol something. This is a moment in the debate. Viewers, 1 minute, Sanju. You are distracting me, Sanju. I'm talking to him. Let me speak to him. Please. Now my question to you is, and I'm requesting you, Anmol, think of every word you're going to say in response. You are quoting the case of Sanjay Singh, right? Tell me. Tell everybody. Did Vijay Nair testify against Sanjay Singh or testify and give a Section 50 PMLA 164 statement against Arvind Kejriwal?
Arnab,
Vijay Nair, right-hand man of Arvind Kejriwal.
Arnab,
he could not move without him. He has gone to court in 2 written statements saying the man is corrupt. Vijay Nair, your own, aapka apna.
Arnab,
now they will say Vijay Nair who?
Arnab, the four approvers, let me respond, Sanjuji. The 4 approvers on the basis of which this entire
Vijay
case
Nair.
is moving upon. Arnab, can you allow me to complete?
Vijay Nair.
The first
Vijay
approver
Nair,
made
Dinesh
Vijay Nair and approver.
Amit
10
Arora,
statements
Abhishek Goenpalli.
in favor of Mr. Arvind
Sanju, 1
Kejriwal.
minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. Sanju, 1
The
minute.
first
I know the
approver-
debate is hot, but we'll have to listen. Let
Arnab,
him
the
answer.
first approver, P.
against
Sharad Reddy.
Kejriwal.
Arnab, if she will not allow me to complete, I will not allow her to respond. I will also interrupt, and this debate
Who
will
the
go on
hell
like
are
this.
you? You had one
Because they are.
seat in
because
Sanju,
they
let
are
him complete
rebels,
on
they
this
don't
point,
want
please.
the viewers to know
Sanju,
the
come on.
reality.
Sanju, now you know the same law applies to you. The shoe pinches when it's on the other foot. Now, this is not all right. This is not all right. This is not all right. This is not good. This is not good. Not good behavior. Please. Please let her complete. Please let him complete.
Smile on your face.
Let him complete. Let him complete. Louder, Anmol.
Your party, Bangaru Lakshman, was convicted for 4 years in defense raw deal. Don't give us lectures on morality. You're the last person from whom we will listen on lectures on morality.
Amit Arora has spoken against Kejriwal.
Now,
Arnab, can I
listen to
respond
me,
now?
Anmol.
Arnab,
Anmol.
P. Sharad Reddy, the first approver.
Sanju, this is not
He
good
made
because he's
10
answering my question.
statements.
And by constantly speaking over him, you're not letting him answer my question or me get answer.
She's rattled. She don't want the viewers to know the reality. She know that she'll get exposed today. If I bring the
You know,
correct fact
Sanju,
to
you are
viewers.
giving him an escape route from my very sharp question by speaking over him because you're giving him an escape route and I need my question answered. My question is, no, Sanju, leave that, please. Let me answer. Let me get an answer. My question is, viewers, and please, there is a man called Vijay Nair, and viewers, I want to give you the inside info right now. We are in journalism. We know all these people inside out. Let me tell you, viewers, if you're watching this and you're saying, where is Arnab talking? Who is this Vijay Nair? Let me tell you, viewers, nothing moved in the Aam Aadmi Party without Vijay Nair. He's the beginning and end, heart and soul, left and right, top and bottom.
Arnab, mazak chal raha hai.
Left artery, right artery, shoulder blade of the Aam Aadmi Party. And
it-
let me tell you this.
Can I respond?
Today, Vijay Nair, till 1 week back, Anmol would come and say, what nonsense, Arnab. Vijay Nair, who has told you he's an approver against Kejriwal? That is in the court order. He's an approver against Kejriwal. And the approver statement cannot be doubted just because he revealed the information at this stage or that stage. He's an approver.
It's a very good
Point
question.
being,
Can I respond?
most close man to Arvind Kejriwal has exposed him.
Arnab, a very good
Vijay
question
Nair
raised
has
by
the
you. Can I
communication
respond?
in charge of the Aam Aadmi Party. He
Can
was
I
not a
respond?
small fellow.
Arnab, is
Respond,
she
yeah,
from
don't
Aam Aadmi
say,
Party?
can I? Please go ahead. Sanju, please don't. Let him answer, yeah, Sanju. He's in a soup tonight. He's sweating.
Arnab,
He doesn't
Arnab-
want to be on my show anymore, Anmol. But you
Arnab, I
don't
love
give him an
to-
escape route. Let
I
him
would-
complete. Yeah.
I
complete. Yes.
would love to escape the lies on your show. And I'm very eager to be on your show to expose these corrupt people who are sitting on the right side from the BJP. Arnab, the fact is that after 2 years of Arnab, ये बोलने ही नहीं देना
Your
चाहता.
top brass is in the lockup. Arvind Kejriwal.
Arnab, from last 2 years, from last 2 years,
You speak.
not
You
a
follow.
single penny has been
You
recovered.
continue to follow.
This
Don't
case
stop. आप
hinges-
बोलिए.
This case hinges on 4 approvers. You are saying
I don't need your
the
certificates.
statement of an
Arvind
approver
Kejriwal is in
holds
the
no
lockup, not due to
credibility.
Narendra Modi or the
Approvers
BJP
comes into
because
action
the courts
when
find
there's
him
dearth of
guilty.
evidence, when there's
Manish
lack of
Sisodia
evidence.
is in the lockup
And this is a
because the
classic
court
case where
found
after
him
2 years of
guilty.
investigation,
Satendra
when there was
Jain
no
is in the
single
lockup
corroborative
because the
evidence,
courts found him
the 4
guilty.
approvers came into
Vijay
scene.
Nair is in
The first
lockup
approver, P.
because the
Sharad
courts
Reddy,
found him
who gave
guilty.
60 crores
And people
bribe
like
to
you
Bharatiya Janata
who sit
Party,
here and
which
say
none of their
Arvind
spokesperson
Kejriwal
answered till date.
तो
The
राजा
second
हरीश
spokesperson
चंद्र
from
का
PDP,
How does it matter?
who has been given a parliamentary ticket, and Mr. Narendra Modi is going and campaigning for him.
Vijay Nair. People
The
are laughing
third
at Manish
approver,
Sisodia.
Raghav
People
Magunta,
are laughing at Satinder Jain.
he was
People are
released
laughing at Durgesh
when after
Pathak.
5
People are
statements,
laughing at
he
Saurabh
was
Bharadwaj.
threatened,
People are
he was
laughing at
coerced,
Atishi Barlena.
and the
Because all you
enforcement
guys are
directorate
running
made
helter-skelter.
him sign
Why has
statements
Kejriwal not
implicating Mr.
resigned?
Kejriwal.
Why has he not taken the moral
Even the
high ground
trial has
after
not
Rule
started.
585
Charge
of the
sheet has
Delhi
not
Jail
been
Manual?
filed.
Kejriwal
And
is
Mr. Arnab
prohibited
Goswami is
from running
declaring
the
a verdict
government
today
from
at the
within the
Republic.
confines of the prison.
Do you
As
think
per
people
Rule
will believe this?
585 of the Delhi Jail Manual. approval.
The Supreme Court was
So what people will say is, what people will say is, okay, we will wait for the Supreme Court tomorrow. What people will say, Anmol, is, Neil has not even spoken. I feel really bad that I could not even give him a chance to speak. Neil, the court...
Mr. Kejriwal has not been placed on record.
Tomorrow is a big day. This matter comes up in the court. Tomorrow we'll have to see. But what happens is that, Neil, is that if Arvind Kejriwal does not get relief from the Supreme Court, if Arvind Kejriwal does not get relief from the Supreme Court, which is also seized of the matter, then things become very complicated, don't they?
See, Arnav, the rule of law in our country says that any person who has been accused of an offence until he is not proved guilty, he is not accused of that offence in its entirety. So it's very early to say, because these are the prima facie findings of the court and certain observations which the court has made prima facie at the first instance. Many times it has been seen in practicality that it changes when after the trial commences or after the trial is concluded. So it's a very preconceived notion to make him guilty of the offences that have been alleged. Yes, the court may give certain observations which are completely prima facie in nature. Completely prima facie in nature. So nothing can be done at this point of time. Court giving observations does not make sense in the law.
He must resign. We are not asking him to put him in jail in perpetuity. Let him fight his case. But he cannot be on a constitutional position out of morality.
Anmol.
Because it is the
Why do you not allow us to speak?
Anmol.
Why do you give them a free run?
You don't know the law. You have no conception of law. Which law says he cannot hold the court? Which law says? You know nothing. You know nothing. You don't know the basic essence of law. Shouting at
so
will not help you. Shouting at so will not help you. Which law says that
Can I come in, Adab?
Which law says you come in? You come in.
Time problem today. Time problem today. I've run out. My point being, viewers, what are you holding up? Okay, Anmol, show it to Sanju. What are you holding up? What is it? What are you showing? Show it full frame.
Arnab, the same court yesterday made an observation in the case of Dilip Ray. Please allow me to complete.
The fact is that Delhi High
Honorable Court said that in
Dilip Ray's case has no bearing on Arvind Kejriwal's case. I'm sorry.
From the ED, 9 summons. I'm very happy that people like Kejriwal are cooling their heels in Tihar jail.
Because these
Viewers, we'll watch what the Supreme Court does. But even the Supreme Court will have to take into account the observations of the High Court after the perusal of evidence by the High Court. There having come to a considered view, this is it's a 100-page verdict of the High Court. It's not a shallow verdict, and I'm sure the Supreme Court will be more than cognizant of that, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the lot of property with the Gandhi Vadra family is going out of their hand, and one of those is the huge property in the name of AJL, the National Herald case. 750 crores property is gone.